there! I'm Mel Zyman.
And I'm Liji.
So, we're gonna teach you everything related to volcanoes.
Including its definition, its classification based on the frequency of eruption, as well as the type of volcano.
And how energy from a volcano may be tapped for human use.
Do you have idea what volcano is?
Put it simply, a volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface.
Yeah, it allows material warmer than its surroundings to escape from its interior, and when this material escapes, it causes an
Eruption! Boom!
and this eruption can be explosive, sending its materials up into the sky.
Moreover, volcanoes can be classified according to their frequency of eruption. They can be active or inactive volcano.
Yeah, so when we say active volcano, this refers to a volcano that had at least one eruption in the past 10,000 years, and it might be erupting or dormant one.
Did you know that about 75% of active volcanoes are found in the Pacific Ring of Fire? Well, yes, Mount Krakatoa is one of them. Mount Krakatoa is located in Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia.
Mount Merapi is also located in Indonesia and is often called as a fire mountain.
We also have Mount Fuji in Japan. Mount Fuji's last eruption was in 1707.
Oh, that was a long time ago.
Yes, and it's still active.
Oh, another volcano that can be found in Japan is Mount Sakurajima.
Wow! While here in the Philippines, we have Mount Mayon. It is known as the world's most perfect cone.
And those are some of the examples of active volcanoes.
On the other hand, inactive volcanoes are those that could erupt but has not erupted for more than 10,000 years.
These volcanoes are also called as dormant volcanoes or sleeping volcanoes. And these type of volcanoes are expected to erupt at some point despite of being dormant for 10,000 years or more.
So, this is Mount Ashitaka in Japan.
And this is Mount Hoheitwei in Germany.
The Mount Rainier, which is located in Washington, US.
And if you're wondering how many inactive volcanoes are there all over the world, well, there is no exact count of inactive volcanoes for this present time. Perhaps here in the Philippines, there are 355 active volcanoes according to PHIVOLCS. And examples of these are Mount Kibo, Mount Apo, Mount Malindang, and Mount Matutung here in Mindanao.
Furthermore, there are about 3 main types of volcanoes, known as the composite or stratovolcano, cinder cone volcano, and the shield volcano.
To begin with, a stratovolcano or composite volcano is a conical volcano consisting of layers of solid lava flows mixed with other layers of rocks. Besides, these volcanoes are majestic giants with steep volcanoes and a symmetrical cone shape. They form a very thick, viscous or sticky lava that won't flow easily. Thus, it has a familiar triangular shape. Some examples of composite volcanoes are Mount Pinatubo in Zambales, and Mount Mayon in Albay, Philippines, and Mount Fuji in Honshu, Japan, Mount Cotopaxi in Ecuador, and Mount Rainier in Washington, and Mount St. Helens in Portland, Oregon.
Next, a cinder cone volcano doesn't have horizontal layers and instead has a steep conical hill or tephra that accumulates around and downwind from the vent. Although cinder cone volcanoes are smaller compared to the other types of volcanoes, but it can easily erupt violently. Some of the examples are the Al volcano in the Philippines, Coastal Cone in Wells Spring, Provincial Park, British Columbia, and Mount Kuala in Turkey.
And lastly, the shield volcano, a type of volcano made entirely from fluid lava vents. They are named like this because when viewed from above, you can see just how massive and imposing they are, like a warrior shield. Some examples of shield volcanoes are the Kilauea and Mauna Loa in Hawaii, Piton de la Fournaise in Indian Ocean, and Nyarramuraga in Democratic Republic of Congo.
I wonder, volcanoes are usually less dangerous than other natural hazards such as earthquakes, tsunamis, and hurricanes. Well then, volcanoes have a series of hazards like lava flows, ashfall, pyroclastic flows, climate changes, and global scale that are related to different risks or hazards.
But despite this danger, these volcanoes may be tapped for human use because it helps us in daily basis, especially in terms of electricity.
That's right. Did you know that volcanoes also provide us energy? If you wonder how it works, try to look at this illustration of geothermal power plant. Briefly, volcanoes have done wonderful things for the Earth.
So that is all for today.
Thank you for watching!